we are basically for promotion of technology in this country. Initially, this promotion was for ITS services, and I think we have started our journey from at that time. IT sector revenue was 52 crore, or today we have 19 lakh crore. So this is the journey we have seen in this country, and the topic which is ABGC. I'm sure similar potential ABGC has in this country. If we really want to capitalize ABGC for this country, we have similar potential. In fact, this ABGC report, which he was talking about it itself, says that by 2030 we have 100 billion of the market for media and entertainment. Out of this, 26 billion from ABGC on. This is the number, I think, if I recall correctly. Uh, what I have seen in the when I was in STPI, because I came from hardcore regulator, I mean, to hire hardcore facilitator. So STPI was also made for the same purpose. We have to uh, certify all the software export which is happening from this country, but we never worked as a regulator. We always work as a facilitator. We never try to impose that yes, you can export in this manner. We never said that okay, if you are not getting bandwidth, then we start regulating Tata Communication Limited or Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. You have to give bandwidth to ITS service provider. Instead of regulating them, we have taken bandwidth on satellite and facilitated IT industry. This is the difference which I have seen when I came from, because regulation and promotion are two different things. Though regulator believe that when they are regulating, they are promoting the industry, which is actually contrary. Either you can be regulator or you can be the promoter. So the first lesson when I came to STPI, I learned government should have arm's length with promotion and the regulations. Here STPI was regulator, but never worked as a regulator. We always work as a promoter. I think this could be the reason. There could be thousands of reasons, thanks to industry, thanks to everybody, that we are from 52 crore to 19 lakh crore. But having said this, today the topic is ABGC, and I think this again create and monetize, correlate with the AI also. So I can tell only one thing at this stage. This is third wave of revolution. So first wave was when electricity invented. If electricity could not have been invented, then what the growth we have seen in 50 years, we could have seen that growth in 500 years. So that 500 years has been converted into the 50 years because electricity was invented. Second wave came, which is in the form of the internet. If internet could have not been invented, then what we growth have in 10 years internet, this growth have taken 100 years. Now it is a third wave, which is in the form of AI. And ABGC is going to most affected by the AI. And this third wave, the way we are going AI, what growth we have to see in 50 years, you will see in the 5 years. This is what the AI impact is going to happen for this world. Be at STPI, nurture technology startups in multiple ways. We have 67 centers across the country, wherein we provide all kind of the facilities to startups. We have also created 24 center of entrepreneurship. Intentionally, we call entrepreneurship not excellence, so they should not become the R&D centers. People should not come and start publishing the paper in the journal. They should not only focus on IPR. They should focus how to convert this idea into product and how to commercialize. Objective of these 24 center of entrepreneurs is very simple. If you have an idea, please come to me. We will facilitate you 360-degree, which includes mentorship to you, incubation to you, global connect to you, and fund to you. This is what all required. So these 24 center of entrepreneurship, we have 5 center of entrepreneurship on ABGC. And these centers are one center which is at Hyderabad. We are supporting around 100 startups. Number one. We have all 4 centers, 3 centers in Northeast and 1 center at Mohali. So in this way, we are supporting 5 centers on ABGC. I will tell you, if we really want to take inclusive growth in this country, ABGC is the sector. The kind of creativity we have, no country has. If we really want to include Northeast in this, become the part of this whole country, the kind of creativity I have seen in Northeast, we have never find it anywhere in this country. That is perhaps the reason government decided to open 7 centers in Northeast, and 3 of them are on ABGC. If you go to Kohima, you go to Aizawl, the kind of creativity they have, we can't even imagine it. We can't even think of this kind of the creativity they have. We are supporting. We have multiple schemes for promotion of startups. One scheme exclusively for Northeast, which is called Octane, where we provide 25 lakh rupees of the seed fund, and then we also provide full-fledged ABGC lab. We provide lab for graphics. We have lab for computer vision. We have motion capture lab. We have everything at STPI premises at various locations. And actually, this is the future. Today, whatever we could have done, we have already done in IT because we are very good in services. It is very difficult for us to have something which has very long gestation period. We don't have that much of the patience. Therefore, today we have less than 20 billion US dollar for software product. We have 250 billion US dollar market for services because a low hanging fruit. Second thing which is about to come is ABGC because we have creativity. Whatever comes, everybody says AI will take the jobs. But AI, which kind of the job AI cannot take, which is creativity. AI can solve the problem, but AI can't tell the problem statement. So this telling the problem statement, creating the having the creativity, this is our forte. This is forte of our country, and that must be capitalized. So my suggestion could be for Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, all the stakeholders sitting here, please have a small center of entrepreneurship, center of excellence on ABGC, each and every corner of this country. Only then we can have inclusive growth. Only then you really can capitalize the creativity of this country.